We have similar lots of other mechanical drawings also. So now we're going to do with this exercise. So always remember, in each exercise, I'm going to introduce different tools. Okay. Sometimes new options I'm going to say. For example, in this one, I'm going to teach you new two options, something called tan radius and fillet and tan radius. Two options I'm going to teach in this one. So similar, each drawing will have new options. Okay, and later we'll show you something to do for exercise, so you can practice that exercise also. So if there is nothing new in that option, and we'll be keeping in comment box as an exercise to practice. So we're going to start this one. So before starting, always remember, you need to type units and then show what's your units. If it is in inches, decimal, you keep it. Precision value 1 is enough. Inches or centimeters, you decide. For example, usually it used to do in inches mechanical drawing. So if you want to keep it in centimeters, it's okay in centimeters. Now I'm considering this one as a centimeter now. So before drawing any mechanical drawing, you see these lines are called reference lines. So I'm going to fix a reference line over here. So we have XL. We already discussed in the previous lessons, right? XL, and switch on your ortho. And space bar, okay, you can create again space bar for repeat last command. Okay, otherwise you need to type again Excel. Okay, now we got it. Why we do reference line? Because we don't know what is the size, right? So it's the endless line. So if it is bigger or smaller, whatever, we can consider this is our reference line. So we start from the center. It's better. The center is given. This is 46 diameter. It's 46 diameter. So either you take from here diameter, or you select radius, then right click and take diameter, or you can click on the diameter also from here, or you can press D also from here. Okay, any one method. We discussed that before. So for time being, I'm taking for this one from here diameter, and how much it is? 46. So click from the center, then 46. We have done. Now we got an almost idea how much will be our drawings and all, because sometimes when you draw from here, it looks smaller. When you draw from here, it looks bigger. So now we almost understood the size. Now, what is that next one? This circle is how much is given. It's not given directly, but it is given something. The distance from here to here, it is 60. So from here to here, it is 60 centimeter. So we can consider this is diameter, because diameter means from one end to the other end. That's the diameter of the circle, right? So the diameter 60 I can consider of this circle. So we draw that diameter 60. There's a lot of small lines are there. Circles are there. And that circle is given 6 hole 10 diameter, right? But this one is not on here. It is on the down or top. It is snapping. So down or top, you have to start 6 hole 10 diameter. So here 10 diameter. How many numbers are there? Total is 6 hole. So 1, 2, 3, and 3, 6. So how can we do? We do polar array. We already discussed about it. Click on polar array, select it, enter, click on the midpoint, and put the numbers over here. Already 6, that's why I just hit enter and escape it, right? Now the outside, you can see it is given 80 diameter. 80 diameter. I'm taking diameter only, that's why I'm just pressing 80. Even we did this one now. Now we need to go to this portion and this portion. So total is given from here to here is 120. So we assume that this is the middle. If not, it will be given separate measurement here and separate measurement here. It is not given like that, so we can assume this is half. So we can take 60 offset from center to up, 60 offset to down. So select offset. Offset shortcut is O. Enter 60. Enter. Click on this line, move up. Click on this line, move down. Now there is a small circle. Is given 22 diameter, 2 hole. 22 diameter, 2 hole. 2 hole means one this and one this, right? 22 diameter. So circle, diameter circle, 22. I'm not using copy now, so here also I'm going to draw 22. And the next drawing onwards, we can start to use copy. This is 18 diameter, 18 diameter. So here 18, we can consider. Sorry, that's 18 radius, okay? It's 18 radius. So you need to choose radius, 18, and here also 18. Now, this is a new option. So for time being, I'm going to keep it. We'll discuss last. And even this one, we don't know, but we can do this portion, right? So to go from here to here to understand the center, 46 is the offset from here to here, 46. So we take offset O, enter, 46, enter from here to here. And small circle is 8, big circle is 30 diameter, right? 8 and 30 diameter. So here is 8 first, and we have 30 diameter. It's okay that let it touch over there. You think like it's a mistake, but actually not, because it's going to trim later. We have done that. Almost is looking good now. So only we have to do these 4 arcs, and this circle. Actually, this circle, there is no, we have to use maybe another circle here somewhere, but we don't know from where it is. That's our problem. Maybe from here, it can touch over there. But how can we know where exactly it is? We don't know, right? Even if it is from here, of course, it's not touching. So there is a logic on it. Between two circle, parallelly, if you want to connect another circle, which option is called tan radius. Okay, tan radius. Between two circle parallel, if you want to connect a line, we call tangent. Okay, I hope we have done previous one exercise like that. So here between two circle, you need to do tan. Then you can get it at connection from here to here, right? So I'm going to choose this tan radius. The execution of tan radius is a little bit different. So listen carefully here. Don't make mistake. Tan radius. First I'm taking. Specify the point on subjects for the first tangent. So first tangent approximately we know here. We should know that one approximately where it is touching. Don't try to select over here, because we know approximately here. Exactly we don't know where it is. So click somewhere over here. Then it is telling select the second. Second is where? Here somewhere over here. Then it is telling specify the radius. How much is the radius is given? It is given the radius is 100. So I'm just typing 100, enter. Now you can see exactly snapped here and there. I'll show you one more time. Take tan radius, click one side, click other side, enter the value. Value is 100. Then take trim tool, enter to execute it. Cut here and here only, and remaining you can select and delete it. So tan we got it. And the another option, there's a small shapes will come somewhere like this kind of arc. This is called fillet option. Fillet. This is called fillet. Fillet is here. Fillet. Now, how much is the fillet is given? 8. So here it's not given, so we can assume it's the same thing. In mechanical, if it is not given similar, you can assume the same value. Otherwise, it will mention. Okay. So this is radius 8. So I'm going to choose this fillet. See how we're going to do fillet. Select fillet. Right click. Radius. How much it was? 9, right? 8. Yeah. So 8. Enter. Click here. Then click here. Automatically it will come. One more time. Fillet. Right click radius. 8. Enter. Here to here. Fillet. Instead of right click radius, you can click over here also. Then 8. Here to here. Fillet. Or you can press R from here, because R is in the blue letter, right? Blue color. So this is also possible. 8. Here to here. Done. Now this all are reference lines. You can select this one, delete. Don't try to trim it, because you need to do one by one. But when you're selecting all and delete it, it's fine. Now you see here is a mistake. Not mistake. Here we need to trim something. So what we're going to do, trim tool. TR is the shortcut. Trim. AutoCAD, most of the shortcut is the first letter or second letter, right? Cut here. How to do one more time? Trim, take from here, or TR, enter. Then you need to press one more time, enter, okay? Or if you're choosing from here, then you need to press only one time, enter. Because when you're using shortcut, TR, enter means to execute that command. Again, enter to cut any intersection from here at a time. So go like follow this way one by one, then nothing will be extra. This will happen sometimes when you trim like this. Sometimes if you after trim, when you do it, if it will happen. If it is there, the circle you have to draw again. If that happens, actually this is a reference. This is our final result, and this was our drawing. Hope you understood. And you need to practice the same exercise 2 or 3 times, because new 2 options we studied here. One is tan radius and one is fillet option.